Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a variation to your products on your e-commerce website. What we mean by variation here is when you have different products on your website that varies. So this main voice here that you can see, we have them in variety. You have their black color, they have their blue color, and have their white color. So it varies in terms of color, it can vary in terms of weight, it can vary in terms of size, etc. So this is what I'm going to show you in this video today. So after watching this video, you will know how to add a variation to your products on your e-commerce website. So let us test this one out. If you click this black, you can see that you have seen black clothes. If you click this blue, you will see it in blue color. If you click white, you will see it in white color. And they have different price. Their price differs from 13,000 naira to 15,000 naira. If you click this black costs 15,000 naira. If you click this blue, it costs 14,000 naira. If you click this white, it costs 15,000 naira. If you are doing this one, people can select the type of products that they want to buy. They can have money for 30,000 naira, which they like white color. They can have money for black one. They may like blue color. They may like green color. So that is why adding variations to your products on your e-commerce website is very, very important. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. To do that, simply log into your WordPress dashboard. Then you navigate to products and you click all products. You can add variation to your existing products, or you can add new products. If you want to add new products, you click add new here, and if you want to edit existing products, you go to that product and you click exist. So I'm going to click this one now, and I'll click edit. So you can see this is the product name, and here you can see where to add product gallery. This is the product image and this is the product gallery. This is the product description. I'm going to copy a text from Lorem Ipsum from here and paste it here. The product description, product short description is also there. I'm going to copy this one and I'll paste it here. So to do that, to create a product variation, what you should do first is you select this one and turn it to variable products because it varies. So first of all, you click attribute first. You create your own attributes. So to add variable to your products, you click these variations here. Then you click attributes because you need to create attribute first. And this is the place where you can select the attribute that you want to select. Then you select this color here. So this is the select value. If you click it, then you click select black. I'm going to select blue. Then I'm going to select white. After that one, I'll click save attributes. The attribute has been saved. Then I'll go and click variations. I'll click generate variations. Then I'll click OK. three variations added: black, blue, brown. So if you click edit here, then select this image and you upload black image. This is the black one, and I'll click set variation image. You can give it prices here, regular price and sale price. The regular price presently is 15,000 naira. For example, 15,000 naira. If you want to change the currency that displays on your e-commerce website, you may check the description of this video to know more on how to change currency on your e-commerce website. I have created a video on that for you on this channel. This is the sale price. The sale price is the price which you are presently selling. Let's say that the sale price for now is 14,000 naira. So if the product has weight, you can say 10 kg, 5 kg, etc. And this is the description where you can enter the description. Then after that one, you click save changes. We still have more variations here. Like this blue color, you can say that let the black color come, and you click edit right here. You select the image from here. That is the blue color is this one. You click set variation image, and here is the brown color. You click edit, then you go to here and you select brown from here. This is the brown. You click set variation image. This is the price. The price is 16,000 naira. This one, the price for this one is 12,000 naira, for example. So now that we have added three products that are vary to our website, I'm going to click update to update it. It has been updated. So if you go to view it now, you click view. I'm going to view it in new tab. And you can see it here. Article 12,000 naira to 16,000 naira. So if they click this black, they can see this one. If you click this blue, they'll see the blue color. If they click, and you can see their price differs here. 14,000 naira blue, 12,000 naira brown. This is the brown one, 16,000 naira. And this is a short description. And that is how to add variation to your products on your websites. Then you can see for now they see that it is uncategorized. So let me go back to my website, and I will go to all products, click all products. So this is that article, and you click edit, and you can select the category from here. Product category, you select men, then remove it from uncategorized, and you click update. So in this way, when people click this men, then they can be able to find it in the men category. For now it has been updated, and then I'll click men here. So let us see, you can see the product called article is now in the men section. The reason why it does not have image for here is that we did not add product image to it. So to do that, I'm going to click set product image. If you add product image, here will not be blank. Here we'll have that image displayed. So I'm going to click this one and set as product image, and here are the product gallery. Product galleries are here. You can upload them from your computer. You can take them from your media library. So I'm going to take them now. I'll mark this one. Then I'll click add to category, add to gallery, and I'll click update now. It has been updated. Then come back here and refresh this one. You can see that here we'll have that image displayed. This is that image, 12,000 naira to 16,000 naira. They have it in black, they have it in blue, and they have it in brown. If you click this black color will show. If you click this blue color of that cloth will show. If you click this brown color of that cloth will show. And if you click it, they can be able to see it. So these are the products gallery. That is how to do that. If you want to add this article to be able to display among these men here, you may watch my videos on how to add product categories to your e-commerce products and display them on the menu. So that's the end of this video today. I hope that it has helped you. Please, if you know that this video is helpful, subscribe to this channel, give it a like, comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.